वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू प्रिजर्व दीस बिमली एंड कीप. सो this I purchased from Masala. It is I got for around for 50 rupees all this, and now I will cut this into 4 halves of each, apply salt and leave it for overnight, and next day for around 3 days we have to continuously then sun dry it. Okay, so I will show you the process. So just take this way and cut into this and another. That's it. Okay. So here I have cut this way. So I know हे कातरून घेतल्या सगळी आणि आता इथून आम्ही आमचे गोंयचे मीठ घालूया. So we will use rock salt, not much because it is very salty. So this much I think so is enough. And now we will keep this, transfer this over here and leave this for overnight. Then the drying process will start from tomorrow. You need hot sun. Is a bimli getting dried in hot sun, so it will take at least 2 to 3 days of sun, hot sun. Once it is dried, it is done. We can preserve it then. Let's make our Bimbli pickle, which is sweet and spicy and sour, because we will be adding vinegar also. So what we need for our masala powder, for pickle masala powder of Bimbli, is 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of our black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of kalonji, that is onion seeds, and 1 teaspoon of a big heaped teaspoon of hing powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this all we have to roast along with our chilies. So these are around 8 Kashmiri chilies, and we will grind to a fine powder, and this is we are going to melt it with our mustard oil. Mustard oil is very good for any pickles. So let's melt this along with half cup of mustard oil and let grind this to a fine powder. So that's our oil, and we will add this and let it get melt in this. Our pickle masala powder is ready. So I have added little bit of curry leaf. Now we will add our masala to this and let it get cooked for few minutes. Mix all this. On low flame, let the masala get nicely cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to this. And I have added few curry leaves, so that is optional. And now we will add our bimli to this. So we will add our bimblis. Mix this all. nicely. And now 1/4 cup of vinegar will go in this. One-fourth cup of vinegar. If you are going to consume it quicker, then you can add warm water, which is like boil the water and then you can add water to this. Check salt. Cover and cook this for few minutes. So I have not added water, but if you want you can add water. And here it is, our pickle, Bimbli pickle, that is ready. आमची बिमल्याची पिकल रेडी आसा. गोड, तीख आणि आंबट तिनूय हेचेर बरोबर स्वाद आसा. करून खायात, एन्जॉय करात. दावशीत पावसान करून दवरात. बिलकुल उदक घालूंक ना. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू ॲड वॉटर, इट्स अप टू यू, बट टू प्रिझर्व इट you will have to keep it, or you have to consume it fast if you have water. But if you are preserving it, then add vinegar. Instead of 1/4 cup, you can add half cup, depending upon you. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. म्हणटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आणि तुमी हें करून खातली. Thank you.
And here it is ready, Goan dry Bimbli pickle. Spicy, sour and sweet. Yummy for those who love their pickles with food. Thank you.